Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12 Biology Syllabus 2023 to 2024. The revised CBSE Class 12 Biology Syllabus 2023 to 2024 contains a total of 5 units. These 5 units contain 13 chapters. The maximum marks are carried by the unit Genetics and Evaluation. Reproduction is the next major unit for CBSE Class 12 Biology Theory exam. Biology subject carries a total of 100 marks, out of which 70 marks are carried by the theory paper and 30 marks are allotted to the CBSE Class 12 Biology Practical. The question paper will contain MCQ type short and long answer questions. CBSE has maintained the reduction in the Class 12 Biology syllabus for the session 2023 to 2024 as well. The main chapters deleted from the syllabus included reproduction in organisms, strategies for enhancement in food production, and some topics from various other chapters. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Biology chapter-wise weightage. Ecology and Environment consists a weightage of 10 chapters. Reproduction consists a weightage of 16 chapters. Biotechnology and its applicants consist a weightage of 12 chapters. Biology and Human Welfare consist a weightage of 12 chapters. Genetics and Evolution consists a weightage of 20 chapters. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Syllabus 2023 to 2024 chapter-wise topics. In sexual reproduction in flowering plants, the important topics are flower structure, development of male and female gametophytes, pollination types, agencies and examples out, breeding device, pollen, pistil interaction, double fertilization, post-fertilization events, development of endosperm and embryo. In human reproduction, the important topics are male and female reproductive systems, microscopic anatomy of testis and ovary, gametogenesis, spermatogenesis and oogenesis, menstruation cycle, fertilization, embryo development up to blastocyst formation, implantation. In reproductive health, need for reproductive health and prevention of sexually transmitted disease, birth control need and methods, contraception and medical, termination of pregnancy, infertility and assisted reproductive technologies, IVF, ZIFT, GIFT. In principles of inheritance and variation, Mendelian inheritance, deviations from Mendelism, incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles and inheritance of blood groups, pleiotropy, elementary idea of polygenic inheritance, chromosome theory of inheritance, chromosomes and genes. In molecular basis of inheritance, the important topics are search for genetic material and DNA as genetic material, structure of DNA and RNA, DNA packaging, DNA replication, central dogma, transmission, genetic code translation. In evolution, the important topics are origin of life, biological evolution and evidence for biological evolution, paleontology, comparative anatomy, embryology and molecular evidences, Darwin contributions, modern synthetic theory of evolution. In human health and diseases, the important topics are pathogens, parasites causing human disease, malaria, dengue, chikungunya, filaria, ascariasis, typhoid, common cold, amoebiasis, ringworm and their control basic concept of immunology, vaccines, cancer, HIV and AIDS. In microbes in human welfare, the important topics are microbes in food processing, industrial production, sewage treatment, energy generation, microbes as biocontrol agents and biofertilizers, antibiotics production and judicious use. In biotechnology principle and process, this chapter covers the concept of genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology. In biotechnology and its applications, the important topics are human insulin and vaccine production, stem cell technology, gene therapy, genetically modified organisms, BT crops, transgenic animals, biosafety issues, biopiracy and patents. In organisms and populations, the important topics are population interaction, mutualism, competition, predation, parasystems, population attributes, growth, birth rate and death rate, age distribution. In ecosystem, the important topics are patterns, components, productivity and decomposition, energy flow, pyramids of number, biomass, energy. In biodiversity and its conservation, concept, patterns, importance, loss of biodiversity, biodiversity conservation, hotspots, endangered organisms. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Biology Practical Syllabus 2023 to 2024. One major experiment will carry a weightage of 5 marks. One minor experiment will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Slide preparation will carry a weightage of 5 marks. Spotting will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Practical record plus Viva Voce will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Investigatory project and its project record plus Viva Voce will carry a weightage of 5 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Biology question paper pattern 2023 to 2024. Demonstrate knowledge and understanding will carry a weightage of 50%. Application of knowledge or concept will carry a weightage of 30%. Analyze, evaluate and create will carry a weightage of 20%. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Biology books. CBSE Biology Chapter Wise Solve Paper Class 12 by Arian Expert, together with Biology by S. Chand. Class 12 Biology by Campbell and Rees. Biology for Class 12 by B.P. Pandey. Truman's Elementary Biology for Class 12 by K.N. Bhatia and M.P. Tyagi. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.